Welcome to Gayatri's Cook Spot. I am Gayatri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make eggless version of chocolate chip cookies. I'll also show you how to make a skillet cookie in the same video. First preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade. In a bowl, mix together maida and baking powder and set it aside. Take butter in a bowl, add brown sugar, white sugar and vanilla essence and beat the mixture until creamy. Now add milk and beat to incorporate. I am adding it in 2 batches so that it doesn't splatter a lot. Once everything is incorporated well, add in nuts, choco chips and the flour mixture. Using a spatula, combine all the ingredients together. Once a soft dough is formed, you can shape the cookies. Take small portions of the dough, roll it into a ball and place it on a greased tray. Leave 2 inches gap because it will spread out and bake for 15 to 20 minutes for softer cookies, and if you want them crisp, bake it 5 or 10 more minutes. Once they are completely cool, remove the cookies with a spatula. It was wonderful. Serve it along with a cup of coffee. For the skillet cookie, you can use a cast iron skillet, but as I don't have it, I am using a cake tin for that. Line it with a paper and add the dough and shape it. Again, bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Once cool, remove it from the tin and remove the lining paper, and you can slice it into wedges and serve them. This is quite soft and somewhat like cake, and it's so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel to receive updates. Thank you.